Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete everything from your computer or laptop. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you go to the bottom left and open Start menu and go to Settings here. Once you go to Settings, go to System and then go to Recovery, or you can just search here Reset this PC. It's gonna take you here, and make sure you click on Get Started. And this is how you can remove everything. Then once you click on Get Started, it's gonna show you if you want to keep your files or if you want to delete everything. You can just click on Delete Everything, and that is how you can do it. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.